Today we are starting the weekend by meal prepping for the weekdays. We are going to make homemade McMuffins. First, let me show you the calories and macros of the restaurants we frequent. And now let me show you mine. If you're impressed, stick around and I will show you how to make this homemade McMuffin with better macros than other fast food restaurants while still keeping the amazing and satisfying taste. First off, we want 6 eggs in a bowl. Crack your eggs into the bowl. Whisk until the eggs are mixed together. Grab a baking pan and use a 0-calorie spray so the eggs don't stick. Pour the eggs into the baking pan. Add salt, pepper, and parsley for flavor. Go ahead and bake your eggs at 350 degrees. While the eggs are baking, go ahead and get your 96.4 ground beef. Put exactly 600 grams into your bowl. Add your preferred seasoning. Make 6 patties, each 100 grams. Grab a frying pan and 0-calorie spray to cook the ground beef. Check on your eggs, and if they are done, take them out and let them cool down. Fry all 6 of your patties. Once the eggs have cooled down, cut the eggs into 6 even pieces. Grab your English muffins you will be using. For this video, I'm using Bay's English muffins. Each one is only 140 calories, but there are other low-calorie options as well. Have a tablespoon ready for your condiments. You can either use regular light mayo, which is 35 calories, or the spicy version for more kick, which is 40 calories. Add a tablespoon of mayo to the muffin. Add your 1 egg. Add 1 cheese slice. Add 1 ground beef patty. And voila, you have made your homemade McMuffin ready to go. If you want your muffins to be warm, crunchy, and toasty, put them in the air fryer for 5 minutes. Now go ahead and mess around with condiments for more flavor, and add salt as needed. Here's the finished result. Now these can last up to 3 days in the fridge, but the rest can go in the freezer. And when you're ready to take them out, take them out. When reheating, you could either use your microwave or an air fryer. Enjoy. Now, if you want a breakfast item that's much easier, quicker, cheaper, and has about the same macros but even higher protein, go ahead and click on my overnight oats video.